Welcome. Let's dive into Dr. Anastasia Vella's amazing clinical protocol for optimizing cellular aging. The secret? Nature itself.
Take the 80-ton bowhead whale. This absolute unit thrives in freezing Arctic waters for well over 2 centuries. So how on earth do these massive mammals completely avoid age-related illnesses and massive cellular failure? While we humans constantly replace damaged cells, whales, they repair them. That's our core mantra: repair, don't replace.
Extreme cold triggers a protein called CIRB in whales. It flawlessly repairs DNA breaks instead of just ditching cells.
How do we emulate that? Well, under cold stress, your skeletal muscle literally becomes an elite endocrine organ. The cold turns muscle into a forge, releasing myokine messengers that communicate straight to your brain. This crosstalk activates the RBM3 protein, repairing neural synapses to mimic that whale's elite cognitive resilience. To fuel this, the protocol uses the CYP complex, boasting a massive 90% concentration of polyprenols. This complex actively restores cellular mitochondria, fixing your energy batteries while totally neutralizing harmful oxidative stress. Plus, it delivers the crucial magnesium needed for high-speed neural maintenance and repairing damaged cell membranes. Okay, let's put it together. Step 1, brief cold exposure to trigger those vital myokine messengers. Step 2, a 2 milliliter daily serving of VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90% to power the whole shebang. It literally biohacks your resilience. Remember, repair, don't replace. So, how will you optimize your cellular defense today?